Hey guys, Tate Sonia with Primo RV. We're going to do a little something different for Super Saturday this week. We're here in Alexandria with one of our salespeople there. We're going to walk you through the 32 RBFQ. We just got this brand new 2011 on both lots.
Hi folks, Jeremy Faso with Primo RV of Alexandria. Here today with this Puma 32 RBFQ. This is a triple slide Puma. Just going to go over some of the great and exciting features that this product has. Up front, you'll notice it has electric power jack, rock guard. The stabilizers on this coach are electric, so you don't have to hand crank anything. You got the nice solid steps. These steps are adjustable for uneven terrain. Sit on the ground, give you a really good stable platform to get in and out of the coach. You have electric awning, outdoor speakers. Have a place to connect the television outside, outdoor shower, black tank flusher, which is really great. The outdoor kitchen on this unit is amazing. It does come with the sink, stainless steel microwave, nice little dorm fridge here, drawer storage, and a gas griddle. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. So one of the amazing features about this coach is the front queen bedroom. A lot of bunkhouses do not have a slide in the main master bedroom, so this one has a slide. It has lots and lots of storage and even place for a washer and dryer. Let's check out the living area. All right, so in the living area we have a nice entertainment center here, CD, DVD, Bluetooth. We have a sofa bed. It's what they call a scissor bed or a jackknife sofa, so it'll make out into a bed. Got nice little cup holders too. We do have a fireplace in here. That's a 5,000 BTU electric heat source. Take the chill out in the morning. This is a horseshoe dinette. Really nice. You can get the whole family in here, and it also does drop down and make a sleep surface. In the kitchen area, we have a stainless steel microwave. We have the new and improved RV range. You can actually put a full-size pan in here. 3-burner cooktop. Glass surface becomes a backsplash. Stainless steel sink with a nice dish rack and a high-rise faucet. Oh, don't want to forget about the 12-volt refrigerator. Look how nice that is, how big it is. Gives you a couple extra cubic feet over an RV refrigerator for storage. Restroom, we have a glass surround shower, high-rise toilet, a little vanity with a little medicine cabinet in there, little storage. And we'll check out the bunkhouse. Back here in the bunkhouse, we have the second air conditioner. Got a twin bed here. Got a another one of those scissor beds, and then a bunk on top, so we could sleep 4 to 6 people back here. All right, guys. Well, thank y'all for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, give us a call.